Is there a smart solution for organic sludge accumulating in an industrial wastewater treatment plant? Or what should be done for a wastewater pumping station in a rapidly growing population? In a shopping mall, odors from the food court begin to spread throughout the entire building. So, is the right solution really to call a vacuum truck at high cost? Zoe developed BioGuy II exactly for these situations. With a daily capacity of 1,000 cubic meters, it provides automatic dosing up to 6 times a day. BioGuy II, FOB efficiency up to 100%, BOD efficiency up to 90%, COD efficiency up to 85%, organic sludge is reduced by up to 80%. Real odor control is achieved. It is easily managed via the Zoe app, and almost all of problems disappear. Moreover, all of these solutions are delivered at cost-effective levels. Commissioning BioGuy II is extremely simple. You can activate the system through the mobile application. Once activated, tap water flows into the unit through hoses, filling the fermentation tank. Biocapsules turn into powder form inside the feeder mechanism and are released into the tank. Beneficial bacteria multiply within the water reservoir, while zeolite media provides a stable support environment. The bacteria-enriched solution is then automatically dosed into the system. Organic sludge is reduced by up to 80%. Return on investment is achieved within 3 to 18 months. Operational costs decrease, and the need for additional CapEx investment is eliminated. BioGuy II by Zoe.